So I want to take a quick minute today to shoot this video about a new initiative here where we're calling it Project Hot Logic Cookbook. So for those of you in our recipe group, well, probably 2 months ago, I put a quick post out there saying, hey, if we wanted to create a cookbook and crowdsource using your guys' recipe, how many of you would like to participate? And it was really a great response. You know, at the time I sent it out there, it was just before Christmas. It was way too hectic here to get started on that sort of thing right then. But now that we've got past the Christmas season, which was a record breaker, thank you all very much for that, it's time to get this cookbook started. So the premise, it's really simple. Send us your recipes, and if we use them in any way, we'll send you a free Hot Logic Mini in your choice of color. Now we're trying to, of course, get recipes here for our cookbook, but we may also use them in some social media posts, Facebook, Instagram, and the like, maybe in email marketing or other sort of marketing that we may do in the future. Any way that we use your recipe, we'll send you a free mini. Now the rules here, they're pretty simple too. First, try to make it as much as you can inside of the Hot Logic Mini. If you've seen some of our past videos, you'll notice, you know, we made a Hawaiian chicken where in the Hot Logic Mini, and we made rice in a rice cooker and poured it over top and made it work that way. And that's fine. We understand you can't be 100% in the Mini all the time, but let's make the spirit of this primarily a Hot Logic Mini meal. Next, because this is a cookbook, we do need some details of what your recipe is. We all know that a pinch of this or a dash of that works really well in the Hot Logic, but for new users that aren't quite as familiar yet, let's try to get as specific as we can about how much of the different ingredients you put into the Hot Logic. And the last one, really, it's the pictures. The better the picture, the better the chance you will get chosen, right? It's been said many times that we eat with our eyes, and if you've looked at a cookbook or went online, maybe it's Pinterest or wherever looking for recipes, you're making that recipe based off of that picture, right? And that's what we want to do here as well. Now we understand that nobody out there is necessarily a professional food photographer, and that's fine. But give it a little bit of effort there. Instead of leaving it inside of a Pyrex dish, put it on a plate. Maybe you add a little parsley. Maybe you just put it together a little bit nicer. Give it some color. Maybe it's a colored plate that you put it on. Really a quick Google search and you'll find a lot of interesting little tricks and tips to make your food photography look better without having to spend any money or spend any real extra time with it. That's it. You send us your recipes with some details and a nice picture. If we use it, we'll send you a Hot Logic. I don't know how long for sure this competition is going to run, but at least a couple weeks, perhaps a little bit longer than that even. So go ahead and send in your recipes as soon as you can. If you have any questions, you can shoot us an email at info@hotlogicmini.com and we'll be glad to help the best we can. Thanks and good luck.